Dear students, in the era of globalization and internet, English language has become an important part of today's education and also of our day-to-day communication. Today, knowledge of English language is widely recognized as a key skill that boosts employability. People often form their first impression of somebody's educational background, his ability and intelligence, perhaps even of his personality from the level of his language he speaks, the words he uses, the way he pronounces the words. A decent knowledge of English language can work wonders for anyone, whether a student, a professional, an employee, or a business person. It always pays to have good command of English language. Your investment of time and money to learn English language will certainly bring fruitful results. Because of the growing importance of English language, it has become the heartfelt desire of lakhs of people to speak English fluently and confidently. My name is MS Shekhawat and I have been teaching English language for competitive examinations for last 40 years. Based on my long teaching experience, I wrote my first grammar book in 2000. Now I have revised this book thoroughly as per the latest pattern of the examinations. Some of my students suggested that I should record all my classroom lectures and provide them with the book, and I have done so. Now, with the book, you will get 90-hour recorded video lectures absolutely free. The book and video lectures will certainly help you improve your English grammar, and I hope that you will come with flying colors in all the competitive examinations. The book has been divided into four sections. Section first is Refresher Grammar. This section describes all elements of English grammar from basics to advanced level. It also includes word categories and word structures called parts of speech. Section second, that is structural grammar. This section describes all sentence structures, and these sentence structures will help you speak and write better English. Section third is applied grammar. This particular section contains all the rules in detail to avoid common errors so that you can spot errors in competitive examinations. And section 4 includes all multiple choice questions based on the latest pattern of various competitive examinations like SSC, Bank PO, Bank Clerk, CDS, NDA, and other similar examinations, just to make you familiar with the latest pattern of competitive examinations. On the occasion of the Independence Day, you can avail 25% discount on this book till 31st August. For sample chapters of the book and video lectures, you can visit our website www.uvam.edu.in. Thank you.